Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Because the guys in here, the Jamaican YouTuber. Today's video we're looking at what shocks Japanese girls about foreigners, foreign guys especially. Another video for Ask Japanese. They do street interviews here in Japan, and reaction videos will now be dropping every Friday going forward. And then on other days, there are videos about other stuff, regular stuff on vlogs or a podcast or something like that during the week. So you can get your reactions every Friday. Please comment down below, click the notification bell when you subscribe, because you know we out here. All right, let's go.
確かに日本人はちょっと小走りでみたいな感じでなんか会ってすぐにボディタッチしてくるわみたいな感じかなって思うんですけど
Hey guys, welcome to Tokyo. This is Kathy Cat. Welcome on Ask Japanese, and today we hit the streets of Tokyo from morning to night to find out what foreigners shock and surprise Japanese people, because that's something you don't want to do when you come to Japan. So let's find out and Ask Japanese. じゃあ今までびっくりした外国人見たことありますか？
でもさっきなんかめっちゃ大音量で音楽流しながら車通ってて、それはちょっとびっくりしました。
何具体的に何？
Stop. First of all, let's get this out of the way. If you live in the big cities, Japanese people or Yankees play loud music on their bikes, on their phones, and in their cars. And then you have the bloody imperialism trucks, the black trucks, if you see them out, black trucks with the traditional land of the rising sun flag that's blurt out their Japan rhetoric that says foreigners go away, we don't need you, bring back Japan to make Japan great again type stuff. So this, capping, whatever.
何があったんですか？
キリスト教みたいな、なんかすごい爆音で音楽流しながら車運転してて。
Alright, I'm sorry, I didn't expect that, but isn't this in Japanese though? But alright, whatever.
それはちょっとびっくりしました。
なんか宗教です多分。なんか十字架書いてあって
乗ってたのは外国の方でした。
なんか宗教を誰かに押し込めって日本であんまり見たことないですよね。
そうですね。
みんな結構なんか自由ですよね。神社もお寺も両方行くんですか？
はい。でクリスマスも普通にするし、ごちゃごちゃみたいな。他の国に比べたら多分。
びっくりした外国人見たことありますか？
わかんないですけど、もちろん人によると思うんですけど、外国人の方って電車の中で普通に電話してるイメージが多いです。
日本にしちゃうとどうなっちゃうんですか？
別に何も言われないと思うんですけど、周りが聞いちゃうよねみたいな感じですね。はい。なんかおみたいになりますねみたいな。
電車の中には電話もそうなんですけど、大きな声の会話は
少ないですね。
なんででしょう？
マナーみたいな、マナーを守りましょうみたいな、文化の違い。
電車の中にみんな静かみたいな。
あった。なんか。
Yo, these Japanese are capping. Yeah, people. Yes, it is true that you're not supposed to talk on the phone really on the train, right? It's considered bad manners. But who is loud like Japanese people when on the phone? Alright, tebe. Alright, mo ima densha. Hi. Have you ever seen if anybody who has lived in Japan, the grandmothers, the grandfathers, the older people, they're like YOLO. I don't give a crap. I'm gonna talk on the phone. Ima densha yo. Hi. Come on. Y'all capping out here. Because y'all do the same things that you're talking about that foreigners shock you about. It happens. It's not like it doesn't happen.
横断歩道でこう車がこうカーブしようとしてて、でも横断歩道があって歩行者がいて歩った時に日本人ってちょっと小走りになるじゃん。あれなんか日本人だけらしくて、外人の人は普通で平気で普通にゆっくり歩くっていうか、普通のペースで歩いて渡るっていう話を聞いたことがある。それ確かに日本人はちょっと小走りでみたいな感じでするけど、外人の人はそのまま全然小走りせずに自分のペースで歩くっていうのを聞いたことあります。
じゃあまずなんで日本人が車が曲がろうとしたら早く歩くんですか？
なんか惹かれちゃうっていうのもあるし、やっぱ早く行きたいだろうなっていう遠慮してちょっと早く渡らなきゃ。そうです。
じゃあ相手のことを考えてあげてるってことで。
そうです。早く渡ってあげようっていう気持ちはありますね。
Alright, so one of the things I don't like about the tone they're taking here is that these are things that Japanese people it's like foreigners only do these things and it surprises them. What? Yo, I guess because I've been here for a long time, I see through all these superficial like stereotype bullshit. Because listen, the thing in Japan, all right, so the pedestrian crossing is set up such that the lights are set up when they're turning, the person that is walking this way, the light turns green going this way, right? So the person that turns has to wait while they're crossing, which is your right of way to cross a pedestrian. That's why it's set up here in Japan. I don't know. This one is kind of a toughie. I mean, I don't know. I've seen many Japanese just continue walking on their phones. If it's a busy crossing like Shibuya, most people try to rush across because the taxi drivers don't play here in Japan. If you know, you know.
知りもしない車の中の人のためでも気を使うってことですね。
全然します。私は走ります、結構。
びっくりした外国人今まで見たことありますか？
チップとか日本にはそのチップとかっていうなんかのがないから初めて知った時はびっくりしました。
今バイトとかはチップもらう場所で働いてますか？
いや、ないです。
急にチップもらえたらどうしますか？
ちょっとびっくりする。
なんかいいですよ、お釣りはいいですよって言われた瞬間はどうしますか？
自分で判断できないよそういうの。
ちょっと店長に聞きますみたいな。
そうですね。
びっくりした外国人見たことありますか？
なんかすごいフレンドリーだなと思います。なんか会ってすぐにボディタッチしてくるわみたいな感じかなって思うんですけど、バイトの先輩で外人がいるんですけど、その人がすごいなんかフレンドリーだからそういう印象があります。
ボディタッチしてんですか？
あーみたいな、こうなんだよみたいな、こう肩タッチみたいなのは結構あるんじゃないかなって思います。
日本でもちょっとびっくりしちゃうんですか？
急にやられたら結構おーってなっちゃうかなって思います。
初めての瞬間どうだったんですか？
おーすごいなって思います。
日本でボディタッチって少ないんですか？
そうですね、多分なんかね、ちょっと手チュンってなるのも割とわーってなっちゃうしみたいな。
This is very true. I did a video way back in the day making a joke about holding hands. So Japan doesn't do the PDA thing, 1. 2, holding hands is almost seen as akin to marriage here. That's a joke. But seriously, like, physical touch is not something they really do. Although, let's not talk about country right now. But yeah, generally speaking, in public, they don't like the touching, and you know they're careful, usually careful about like the zones, like public zone spaces, personal zones. But then sometimes it's like, when do you observe the the personal space? Because when you're on the trains, everybody's pushing up people. Men literally walking in the train when it's packed, backing their ass up into the train because it's crowded, so they don't want to face you. They push the ass on you and come in the train and stand up and don't face you and hold like this, literally backing their ass up. So I mean, I don't know, I don't know what to believe, because they're like, Japan has like two sides, you know, the real side and the side that you see as a tourist or whatever. It's weird.
ありますね。
じゃあお互いボディタッチしますか？
全然友達なんで。
肩パンパンで OK？
全然あります。
じゃあ私だったらどうしますか？女性なんで。
女性だったら全然大丈夫です。
面白いよって OK？
ありです。
海外の挨拶、日本にはないと思うんですけど、友達のほっぺチューしますか？
しないですね。抵抗ありますよね。
それは今なんか日本人の女性の友達 OK だけど、日本人の男性の友達は OK？
いや、なしかな。
なんかその性別の壁が高いんですか？ There's a lot of things that you can accidentally do to surprise and shock Japanese people, which you don't want to do. But don't worry, we've done a ton of videos on hints and tips how to react properly in Japan, the manners that you need to know in Japan, greetings in Japan. There's a ton of videos that we've made for you guys. Please be sure to check those out. They are there to help you when you come to Japan. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for subscribing, and check out the next helpful videos.
Wait, why did you put the video where this said? Oh boy. Alrighty. Well, that's that. Alrighty. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Some of those things I don't know why it's shocking to some Japanese, because Japanese people actually do these exact same things. They're shocked that foreigners do. So I really don't know how I feel about that, the authenticity or the, but well, that's their experience. I can't invalidate that. But I've seen many Japanese people do the exact same things they're shocked about. But leave comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. This was fun. I like these. Maybe I should do more reactions. Peace out. Biggest Gaijin. Ikimashou! Bam.